So why do a project? In this lecture, we're going to look at problems and opportunities that are all answered or can be answered by doing a project. So why do we want to do a project? Why does any company need a project? Well, a project's a great way to separate activities from just day-to-day business. So it's something special that really doesn't fit into the day-to-day operations of your organization. Now, a project could be a business model of the organization. And what I mean by that is that everything that your company does, or maybe nearly everything that a company does, is a project. So for example, let's say that you have a company that they do roofing. They put new roofs on homes. Well, every home that they put a new roof on could be a project. Or you know someone who is a web designer, that they create blogs and websites for companies. So their business is all about projects. So some companies, their projects are what they do to earn an income. Projects, we know, always are a temporary endeavor, so that they don't go on and on and on like manufacturing. That projects are a temporary endeavor to bring about something unique. Projects, as I mentioned in our overview, typically do one of two things. They're going to solve a problem, or they're going to seize an opportunity. So problems, opportunities. Now, sometimes you might see that expressed as cutting cost or increasing revenue. But usually you can just say it's a problem or an opportunity. And that's what projects do. Now, the goal of every business project is to benefit the business. Businesses exist to not provide jobs. Businesses exist to earn an income, to make money, to make profit. Even if you work in a government environment or a not-for-profit, there is some type of a benefit that the project must bring to that organization. So it benefits the business or the organization. That could be adding revenue or being responsible for the revenue that you've earned if you are a not-for-profit. What about decreasing costs to be more effective with the monies you have available? And then an adherence to laws and regulations. So sometimes you aren't really doing a project to add revenue or cut costs, but you're doing a project because you have to. There's a new law or regulation that you have to adhere to. Why do I manage a project? Why do I want to manage a project? Well, you need a project manager, like a coordinator, an expediter, a director, to achieve the goals of the project. That you're managing the goals. You're managing the work to solve that problem or seize that opportunity. You're there to provide some stability to the actions of your project team. You coordinate all the comings and goings, the logistics of the project, and you're acting on behalf of the business. So that's why we manage projects.